Hello everyone and welcome to this new DAX video from BIWay. In this new DAX video we see the generate function. So let's see how it works. Let's start by the syntax of the function, then its definition. The syntax is generate table 1, table 2 as arguments, where table 1 and table 2 are tables or any table expression. So what generate does, it returns the Cartesian product between each row in table 1 and the table that results from evaluating table 2 in the context of the current row from table 1. In other words, the second table expression will be evaluated for each row in the first table. The function returns a table. Keep in mind that all column names from table 1 and table 2 must be different or an error is returned. Also, another important point is that the cross-join function returns a table that contains the Cartesian product of the rows from all tables in the arguments with no evaluation or dependency between tables. It's just a simple cross-join. So let's now see an example. We want to create a summary table for the sales by channel and product category. So let's create a new calculated table. Let's name it table using generate. The first argument of generate will be a table expression using summarize function that will return channel name. The second table will return the sales amount by product category using summarize function also. So that's it. Now with generate function, the second table will evaluate in the context of the current row from the first table. So let's see the result. As you can see, we have the summary table of the sales by channel in the product category. Here I already created a table using cross-join. It is the same DAX query as generate, except I used cross-join instead of generate. And as you can see, the result is only a Cartesian product between the two tables, and the sales amount is the same by product category. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, post them in the comment below. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with new videos from BIWay. See you in the next video.